Hi, I'm Dan Cole. I'm a physician assistant, director of orthopedics and sports medicine at Tahoe Forest Hospital District in Truckee, California. And we bring AP biology students from Incline Village, North Tahoe, and Truckee High School programs to UNR's Advanced Surgical Training Lab, and with one of our local surgeons, this time it was Dr. Ringness, and last year as well, we perform a total knee with the students assisting throughout the procedure. Knee replacement and hip replacement are top 5 Medicare admissions to hospitals for surgery. Projection from 2006 to 2030 was an increase of 174% for hip replacements and approximately 670% increase in the number of knee replacements.
My name is Avery Fournier. I'm a senior at Truckee High School. I'm enrolled in a class called Human Body Systems at my school, and part of that is that we get to come here for a field trip where we observe a knee replacement on a cadaver. I definitely find this surgery to be very interesting, and hopefully that would be something that I can pursue in the future.